no ifs, no buts, no youth service cuts, no ifs, no buts.
We've got a number of messages. Gail Cartmail, who's the Assistant General Secretary for our section, sends her best wishes for today. Len McCuskey, our General Secretary, who's extremely supportive of not just this action but the whole campaign that we're running to save youth services. And Mark Sawatka, the General Secretary of the PCS. I'm writing to express solidarity from the PCS Union for your youth worker members on strike tomorrow in Oxfordshire. Young people are bearing the brunt of these cuts through cuts to schools, colleges and the increase in university fees. Local councils have also cut youth services on a massive scale as their budgets are slashed by central government, while youth unemployment is at the highest level on record. Your members work with some of the most disaffected, alienated and vulnerable young people, and we offer our total solidarity to your members in protecting the vital work that they do. Mark Sawatka.
What you're doing today is absolutely tremendous. You've got our support in Southampton and Hampshire, and I wish you all the best. And let's keep the struggle up. Okay, I'd like to introduce.
The youth service has ceased, it's been cut. And the idea of youth work now being attached to other agencies like the police or the social services in what they call intervention teams just demeans the whole issue of youth work and the history of youth work. It sees young people as demons, it sees young people as problems, and not youth work as a way of solving the problems and making them do what they want them to do. It's not about being with them, building sustainable relationships with them and the communities and the centres over a period of time, and responding to their need when they want the need and when they express what the need is. It just demeans youth work. You have come out on strike to say no, enough's enough. And for that, Warwickshire applauds you. I feel proud to be your brother.
So we're actually seeing the death of a profession and the death of a service. It's a public service that's actually going to disappear. And what's happening up and down the country, and Oxfordshire is not the only place, what's happening up and down the country is people are saying, well, we're protecting the youth service, but actually they're not. What they're protecting is this sort of early intervention service, which is nothing, as we all know, is nothing to actually to do with that youth work that we've already done. And finally, I was really interested to know that you were all asked to go out on the streets when the disturbances were happening. You were the people that were asked to go out on the streets with the police to work with those young people who were at risk of getting involved in that violence. And you were there. And if you're not a frontline service, I have no idea what you are. So we do need to be saying to the government, look, youth work is a frontline service, it needs to be protected.
It's shit or bust time for youth service. Looking at the pattern of cuts, we've only just faced the first smallish round of cuts in local government. The first round hit last year, ran on into this year. Their objective is the destruction of public services and local government and the health service and the breakup of the welfare state. They are serious dudes on this. So the louder the voice, the less the chance we'll get hit.